Hey, this is Dave again. My last video, I talked about the e-cig that I made, and I love. Um, and now I want to talk about changing the batteries and the headphone jacks out of the iPods. Um, my first iPod, which I can't find at the moment, uh, it was the battery life was terrible. And that's what happens with lithium-ion batteries. If you let them die, every time you let them die, it won't charge as much as before. It won't last as long as before. With NiCads, that's different. With not lithium, with NiCad batteries, um, if you have to let them die in order for them to have a good long life. But get back to this. The headphone jack only worked in 1 year. I'm not sure if a lot of you had that problem because I'm pretty sure that you did. Well, you can order a kit online. It has a bunch of tools to take it apart with, to slip the case off with, and you can actually order the battery online. Looks like this, and you have to get the same battery that runs with your iPod because if you get the wrong one, it might not fit, which would suck. It only cost about $10, and the headphone jack, which I don't know where I put the old one. I might throw it out. Uh, that only costs about $6. So all in all, you're spending $6 when if you send it back to um, the iPod company, uh, you would have to spend close to $100 just to get it refurbished. That's bullshit. Anyway, check this out. To take it apart, I like using these. They're guitar picks. What they come in and do is to get this side open. Just pry it up with one of these. Find the side that's easier to open. And try to do it without damaging the the casing of the iPod. Don't do it with a screwdriver. You'll damage the casing. This one I found is very easy to take apart. There you have it. It's apart, and it comes out, and it looks just like this. There's the hard drive. There's the LCD screens right in front of it, and you don't need to have to do anything with this side besides take out these two power strips, or this power strip right here. This one just comes right out. You can see it. Just pull it right out. And then the other one is right behind the battery. Yeah, as you can see right there. Now all you have to do is, can't find the webcam. I think right there. All you have to do is flip up this little tab. I can't really get a close view of it, but now that the tab's flipped up, you can just pull it right out. Now, side with the hard drive is completely disattached. Put that away. Now all you have to do is take these two out. Yeah, as simple as that. This battery literally just take it off. There's no screws connecting it at all. It just has film of glue or some sticky stuff underneath, some adhesive underneath. uh, take the tape out for the headphone jack, and we'll first take the battery out. That's first comes first. See, the battery just comes out. Then you can see the little tape they put in there. It's like double-sided tape. Then you need to unscrew. There's little screws for the headphone jack. There's one right there, and there's one for actually there's two for the whole switch. There's one right there, and there's one right there. So we just take them out. Little Phillips in there. Oh yeah, there's another switch right here. There's another screw right here. So it all comes together. You'll when you buy the kit, that the headphone jack from the website, whatever website you buy it from, um, you will make sure you buy the right one for your iPod too. When you buy it from the website though, it will come with the hold button. So, and if it doesn't, then I don't know what's up with that. Let me just get in there and do that. Damn it. All right. So, forgot about this one. Have all the screws pop out, except that one, which just did. All the screws are the same, so they go back in whichever way you want them to go back in. But this just pops right off. And remember, there's a certain way to put it in. If you can see the little notches. Yeah. You have it right here, and you kind of gotta butt the side in, and then this side fits in there. So there you have it. Taking that out. This also has adhesive underneath of it, and try and just get that adhesive off. But yeah, I use the little power strips to take this tape up because this tape is a little tough. Their electrical tape's pretty good. It lasts a while too. So it's out. That's what it is. That's what it looks like. Easy to replace. Usually gets really good, really gummed up. That's really nasty right there, and it doesn't work at all. You know what? I bet if I blew this out, the whole switch would work again. um, and I might actually just try and repair this. But yeah, that's nasty. Yeah, and then putting it back in is the same way you took it out. Um, You're gonna want to clean out the inside, of course. Uh, oh, well, that's a long video here. Make another one, part two.